Welcome to Vietnam, where the traffic is as chaotic as a family reunion. Vietnam is like a buffet of history. You can sample ancient kingdoms and foreign rule without the calories. From the north to the south, Vietnam is a long, skinny country, kind of like a noodle, but with more history. In Vietnam, you can find skyscrapers and rice paddies sharing the same street. It's like a real estate agent's dream. And let's not forget the food. It's so good, even your taste buds will throw a party. Vietnam's history is like a soap opera, full of drama, twists, and a lot of unexpected plot changes. You can visit ancient temples and then hop on a motorbike to grab a coffee. Talk about multitasking. So pack your bags and get ready for an adventure in Vietnam, where every corner has a story and a bowl of noodles waiting for you. Welcome to Vietnam, where the traffic is a sport and the food is a love affair. Day 1. Let's dive into the Old Quarter, where every street is a new adventure and every corner smells like delicious food. Don't forget to visit Hoan Kiem Lake, where you can ponder life while dodging tourists and pigeons. Next, we hit the Temple of Literature, where you can feel smarter just by walking through the gates. Day 2. Time to explore Ha Long Bay, where the limestone islands look like nature's version of a game of Jenga. If you're feeling adventurous, hop on a boat and pretend you're a pirate searching for treasure. Or if you're in the south, Ho Chi Minh City awaits with its museums, markets, and streets that never sleep. And remember, crossing the street is like playing Frogger, so keep calm and let the motorbikes do the dodging. Why did the tourist fall in love with Vietnam? Because every meal was a pho-tastic adventure. What do you call a trip to Vietnam where everything goes right? A pho-nominal vacation. What to eat and try in the first 3 days, the culinary adventure of a lifetime. First up, we have Pho the Explorer, the noodle soup that will take you on a flavor journey. Next, meet Banh Mi Buddy, the sandwich that's crispier than your uncle's jokes. And don't forget our cool friend, Sassy Spring Roll, who's always ready to roll into your heart. For something local, try Bun Cha in Hanoi, where the meat is grilled to perfection. In Ho Chi Minh City, Cam Tam is the rice dish that will make you say, "Where have you been all my life?" And let's not forget the Vietnamese coffee, strong enough to wake up your entire family. Embrace the street food culture and eat like a local. Your taste buds will thank you. First things first, respect local customs, or you might end up in a temple wearing a swimsuit. Dress modestly when visiting temples, unless you want the locals to think you're auditioning for a beach party. Try a few Vietnamese phrases like Xin Chào for hello, or you might just get a confused look instead. Do bring cash because your credit card won't work at that street vendor selling the best banh mi. Stay hydrated, especially if you're trying to keep up with the locals on their motorbikes. Be open to trying new foods, even if it looks like it could jump off the plate and run away. Don't be rude or point at people unless you want to be the star of a local comedy show. And remember, don't drink tap water unless you want to experience a surprise adventure in the bathroom.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.